Hello everybody, Cool Andy here. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video I want to share with you guys about Tico, my special bird that I hope hatching from the eggs and I've been raising from day one. And today she's 25 days old. Can you believe it? And she's still live and kicking. And I want to share with you guys. And I have a surprise for you guys too. Look, this is my Tico. I don't know if it's gonna be a Tico or a Tica, but here it is, 25 days old. Look at how big she is, guys. Or he. Look at that, how big. She's getting feathers. She's starting getting feathers now in her wing and her back. And I put her band yesterday. I finally got it yesterday with my letters there, my initials. And you can see how beautiful she's doing. But not only that, now she's not alone anymore because now yesterday I brought her two brothers or brothers and sisters or whatever. I brought the two babies that hatched with her or before her, and now the three are together. No, now I'm feeding three babies. More work, but it's all good. So I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm gonna feed the three of them, and I'm gonna share with you guys this little experience here. Here we go. Say hi, Tico. My friends here have been watching you since day one. Yeah, they've been watching you since day one. They know you. Hi, baby, 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 baby. I still doing this to her, turning her around. You can see here. She's hungry. You hungry, you hungry, you hungry. Dame la patica, dame la patica. You see she has nothing here. But now it's gonna change. That's gonna change now. Papi's gonna feel you. Yeah. Now she's eating Oda. You see Oda? She's eating Oda. Alright, you miss her there. Wee. And look at her. All that she ate. Now she's taking a lot of food. You can see now her big belly. A big belly. Now Papi's gonna clean her. Yeah, Papi's gonna clean you. No, you don't want more food. No, you're full. You wanna explode like a balloon? You wanna explode like a balloon? Yeah. No, Papi doesn't want you to explode like a balloon. Look at how beautiful you are. You're getting color now. I see the color. You guys see the color? You can see the color. Yellow, orangey, white. My baby, baby. You guys want to see the other two? Yeah. Watch. Let me get my syringe ready with food. The other two, they hatched earlier, but actually she's bigger than one of them. Okay, let me put this phone like this so you guys can see better. There you go. Okay. And here we go, the family grow. Yeah. Look at these guys. This is the two brother or sister and brother from her. Look at this. They are more shy because these ones I just got in yesterday from the nest. So they're not used to me or handling. They're not used to people, but they will. I think if I was gonna guess, I'm gonna do the DNA, but if you're gonna guess, this one in my left hand is a female, and this one here is a male. If I was gonna guess, so maybe two females and one male. This one has more color already, more feathers. See there? More yellow under the neck and more green in the wing. So let's feed this one first. Lady first. Nice. You just got food all over me. You are messy. Look at that. So much food all over the place. Well, this is only the second time that I'm feeding them, so they have to get used to it. You just give Papi a bath with baby food. Okay, that one I'm not gonna feed anymore. You can see this one has less feathers. This one has less feathers than Tico. And that's the second one that hatched. And I think that this is a female too. I think so. I can be wrong. I'm gonna do the DNA and see. And now let's feed the biggest one. You see how shy he is? He's very shy. Because this one knows more. This one knows more. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a big bird. It's beautiful colors. Big bird with beautiful colors, yeah. Time to eat. This is yummy food for you. Come on. There we go. Messy, messy. A big mess. Come on. Open up. Open up. Open up. And there we go. This one has to be like that because they're not used to anybody feeding it, all in the parents, so they don't know what I'm doing and they don't know how to eat like that, but they will learn, and a couple of more times it will get better and easier. And now you guys can see our family grow. Two more big babies. Now they can keep themselves warm and company and then play together and be happy birds and cool down. I'll see you in the next video. You guys can see everybody has a band now. You can see here everybody has a nice band. So this band has the year and the letters that I have the license as a breeder. So if somebody wanna in the future, when somebody else is gonna be the owner of these beautiful birds, they can see how old is the bird and where the bird came from. It says also they are Florida, so they know that the bird came from Florida and from some breeder that have the 3R, the latest 3R. Oh, this baby, I think she's gonna be a she. Look at this. Look at this, how beautiful. Alright, my guys, I hope you enjoyed my videos. I'll see you in the next one. GG. Goodbye. Say goodbye.